Hey guys, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Derrick.
And we are the HartTwinz. So for this video, I'm gonna be showing Derrick how to braid. Yes. Fun fact, Derrick does not know how to braid at all.
I don't. Daniel showed me so many times, but I don't know what's up with my head. It's like I can't get the braids together, and my mother just did my braids, and go figure, a lot of them came out because I'm a heavy sleeper, you know, sleeping beauty. So my hair is tight in a do-rag, but I move around when I sleep, so I just need help rebraiding this basically.
I'm tired of having to always braid his hair out in public. So you know what? We're gonna show Derrick.
You would think being a twin he would help me, but what you gonna show me?
We're gonna show Derrick how to braid hair. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you the ends of my hair. They're always coming loose. So this is something real easy that Derrick should do. See, what you wanna do is find the pattern of the braid and look. Get one hair, twist over to the next hair. It should be like 3 strands of hair. So what you want to do is like have one in the middle.
So get, okay.
Okay.
I have 3.
Now twist from the left to the middle, if that makes sense.
From the left to the middle.
Basically, when you have 3, try to have the left braid and the right, not left braid, the left hair and the right hair mix with the middle. You got it?
Not really.
Like right now, I'm doing it probably too fast.
You are.
But anyway, I know I'm probably braiding it too fast, but look, just look at how I'm doing it. You see the braids there in a pattern. Oh, I messed up. I'm continuing that pattern. Oh! This camera almost fell. Oh, child. But anyway, so what you want to do is just, yeah, let me show. There we go. Left, right, look, left, right, and they're all in the middle. I know some of the hair strands are shorter, but I'm literally doing left, right. I'm gonna just go a little fast.
Oh, my hands just always get discombobulated.
What?
Look at this.
Wait, look. Okay, that's how you braid. Bring it from one hair to the left, one hair to the right. Like, just make it match in the middle until you go all the way down.
Oh.
I'm about to do it on his hair right now so that way I can see like what progress. Oh girl, what are you doing?
I don't even know.
Help her, Viola, help her. So, look at this. And look, make sure you pay attention to. You see, you see the hair, it's 3 of them.
Uh-huh.
Okay, one in the middle. The one hair needs to match the middle. The one on the right, match the middle. Keep this pattern going. Not match the middle, twist into the middle. This, twist into the middle. I know I'm not really saying it right, but that's just how I learned it. That's my way. Everyone has their own style of how to braid. I try. I ain't easy. I'm a man. But, ghost bitch. Ghost bitch. So, it is getting hot. But basically, you want to put it like left, right, middle. Alright, stay focused.
Oh my god.
Oh, when you start laughing, it does tend to get hot. But hopefully, Derrick is learning.
My hands isn't like that. I'm gonna show you how I can do it.
Now, I
You
don't.
have gifted hands.
I don't know how to cornrow. I'm still learning how to do that. Honestly, I know how to do the big cornrows, but cornrows like how you see this, I don't know how to do that. I just know how to do the box braid part. But look at this. Look at all of this.
Sorry.
How the hell you sleep like that with the hair coming out? Oh, Lord have mercy.
It's a lot.
Oh, you done messed up the damn pattern. Remember, I did say I don't know how to cornrow, so we're just gonna try. Oh, jeez, that's a whole lot about to happen.
Oh, Lord. I guess I'm different. Oh, it's hot.
But, hold this, please. Cause your hair, I need to see the braid. So, I did a thing. It ain't the best. Turn. Come close. Okay, stay right there.
Oh, jeez.
This is how you braid. Make sure you balance yourself. Stand straight, please. So, left to the middle, right in the middle. All of it to me is just twisting it all in the middle to form a braid. And then you just keep the pattern going. But this is how you...
When I braided it, my hands get lost. Like, literally, I'll do that twist, and I'll do the other twist, and then I'll be like, oh shit, where's the pattern went?
Well, we want to make sure Derrick does not get lost at the end of this video. Because...
That's why there's two of us.
Hold this. Well, just like Sailor Moon said to Rainy, how else will you learn? Hold this.
Don't be so aggressive.
Yep, I did the cornrow part. Good. It didn't come out perfect, but hey, it's still something, child. I tend to do a little thing here and there.
Kill two birds with one stone.
Hello?
In this case, kill two braids with one hand.
So Derrick think he's slick. He got me braiding when he's supposed to be the one learning how to do it.
I love that my chest is looking really big.
You've been working out, haven't you?
I'll definitely do chest again today.
This looks pretty easy.
Let me try.
Remember the routine I told you?
You said...
You see, they look... Oh. You're just gonna unloose it even more.
Alright, so wait. Turn. Turn. Turn.
Oh, it look like you are doing it.
Turn.
But do not lose the hair when you're doing them turns.
That's the part I always get confused.
Hold on. Keep the pattern going. Like, literally. And straighten it out if you need to. Keep doing that, Derrick. Continue what I'm doing, please.
I could try.
Please do not lose that pattern.
Oh, where's the third braid?
I just told him do not lose it and he lost it.
Oh
my god. Like that. Are you trying to learn?
I am trying to learn.
It's like, I am trying to show you something to do that's really easy.
It's easy for you to say.
The purpose of this video is so that Derrick can learn how to braid a hair. Oi.
We're gonna try.
Braid his own hair.
Oh, that was your stomach?
Yes. Does that mean I'm hungry? Are you doing it right?
I hope so.
Just keep the pattern flowing. It looks like you are doing it right. Do not lose.
I lost it. Wait. Oh, that always happens. Shit. There we go. Oh, I always do that.
So I think he's almost getting it. Practice does makes perfect. And of course it's not gonna always come out perfect. So what, it seems like we need some more work to do.
We do. I definitely need to watch a slow motion tutorial.
You see this hair?
Mm-hmm.
Right there. Watch as I braid this. Just literally move from one to the next, one to the next, and just keep doing that until you go all the way down. And then you get to the point where you feel comfortable. Just keep going quick, fast.
I don't got it like that quick yet.
And that's it.
Well, I didn't get really far, but
It's okay.
I'll try next time.
We definitely will be teaching, well, I'll be teaching Derrick more how to braid his hair. But for now, this is just a start. We will get to where he needs to get when it comes to braiding his hair. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, guys.